Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to make Instagram story 60 seconds long video. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iOS devices. We need to upgrade to the latest version of Instagram, so in my case I will just open Google Play Store, tap on the search bar Instagram, and then I will just click open, but if you are not on the latest version you see upgrade. Then clear all apps and open Instagram again. Now let's tap on your story on your home screen. Here select a video, for example 30 seconds like this, and tap on your story. Before, when you upload a longer than 50 seconds video, it cuts it into 50 seconds parts, but now it won't cut it. Let's test it. Here you can see the video is whole. If it's not working for you, just clear the cache of your app and try again. On Android, just tap and hold on your Instagram icon, then info button. Now storage and cache, and clear cache. If you still don't see this option on Instagram, just try restarting your device and that's going to fix